1, 2, 3.
Okay, graduation, baby. We're getting a little bit of everything. This is like, it's crazy. So come along and see how we do it. Okay, one more wave, one more wave. Perfect. Nick, if you want to go that side. Okay, so I had Nick go on that side because usually I shoot this and then I get all the people in the front. By the time I get to the end, it's like impossible to get everybody. So I'm hoping like having a second shooter here gives us the flexibility to get like everybody. 3, 2, 1.
Class of 2025! Yeah!
Okay, we can do better. He'll do that, and then after that, you guys are like, yeah! 1, 2, 3.
Class of 2025! Yeah!
Yeah! Hey, it's your day, it's your day. How you feeling, man?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah, congratulations. Give me a wave, give me a wave. Perfect. The restraint is to not get these people. It's like so hard because I want to get them because they're so pumped. They're just coming out. But again, like I know Nick's gonna get them again. I don't want to overshoot. And that's just because I'm gonna deliver this tomorrow. Like I need to do a next day edit. And usually I shoot just me, but because I have people, I'm really thinking of how much footage I can realistically get through without like, you know, delivering it late. So say something for your mom.
I love you, Mom!
Hey!
I love her mom too.
Oh, one more time, one more time.
I love her mom too.
Just checking on Nick, seeing where he's at. And it's like crazy. I can just spot him because it's something about the way that we walk with the camera that's just like so obvious. So let's get some more people here. Oh, they're waving. I'm gonna get these shots. I'm actually gonna move over here to the middle in a second, but we'll see how we do. Hey, give me something, give me something. Yeah. Hey. Let's go. HGA. Give me one more. Hey, give me some waves right there. Perfect. You guys excited for this? Hey, give me something, give me something. There's the water. What I gotta do to get a water? Oh, locked in. Hey. Will you hang out like for the second half? I feel like I always get like so much of the first group of people, you know?
Yeah.
And so this wave here, that's finally coming through. If you want to go on that side, I'll get them as they come in this spot here. Or you can go this side, whichever side works for you. Cool. Nice, thanks, bro. Hey.
Sorry,
We got it. Is this a bigger class than normal?
Yes.
Yeah.
Boy, got me like, what going on? There we go. Okay, give me something. Hey. What you got? Give me something, bro. Give me something. Yeah. We're getting it done out here. Got to swap a battery and get an SD card to just put in my pocket. Okay, I'm gonna swap cameras just so I can run around this for a minute. Then I'll go back to the gimbal at the end here. So a lot of work. Camera upgrade.
So,
Got my guy over there.
graduates, want to play the game? Are you smarter than a fifth grader? All right. Here we go. And shut off social media.
I didn't think I was gonna like the handheld look as much as I do, but it's probably the 50. It just looks so buttery. So we'll get some shots of people kind of tighter in, some things you can't really do with a 35 mil. So back to it.
My snare going. Put them both together.
So they'll go up through here and down. We'll try to alternate. So I'll go on that side and then you sit on this side. Go.
Lucas Haruto Smith. Zoe Catherine Spanos. Madison Lee Spanos. Andrew J. Stock. Burton. Jaden Samuel Brady.
Yeah, that was so good.
Jane Carlson. Gideon Luke Odenion.
Hey, give me something. Hey, yeah.
I have two here to call one.
Hey. Oh, move your hair.
Hector Julian Padilla. Jaden Logan Davis Hall. Alexander Thomas.
Hey, give me something. Ah. I didn't miss.
Haley Danielle
One more.
Richards. Ramona Ray Ryder.
Yeah. All right, bro, give me something. Hey, let's go. See, that's the real hard part. Trying to get him. If you miss focus, you got to be able to say one more time. Like, you got to get the shot. Let's see if I can get these guys. Okay, give me something. Wave, hold it up. Perfect.
I'm gonna switch to 120 on a couple of these.
Perfect, yeah. Hey, hold it up. There we go. My guy, let me see it. Yeah. Hold it up. Hey, shouldn't do it. Yep. Hey, hold yours up. Yeah, congrats. Give me something. Yeah. Hey, give me a wave right here. Congrats. Hey, let's go.
Dylan Jacob Dietz.
Hey, give me something. Yeah, let's go. Oh, man. See the arms? We get a little tired. We almost there, though.
Caitlin Renee Thompson Gilmore. Debbie Kai Daniela Saxton. Jose Martin Martinez.
I'm gonna go get my other camera. You cover for me right here.
Helena Perry.
Okay. That's it. There we go. Cool. Thanks, bro. They're gonna do the toss in a minute. I usually will cover here. I'm gonna follow the last. They're gonna call somebody up to do. I'm gonna go behind and follow. So if you want to get like really any shot, maybe this side because then you're gonna go down. This is the money shot. You ready? This is it. Let's go. Oh, yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You did it. Will you get Hunter?
Who's Hunter?
Hunter's
Hunter. Hey, what's up, Hunter?
with his grandma.
Stay there. Hey, Jessica, long time no see. Okay, you can go ahead. Okay, are you ready? Congrats on 3. Grandma, you gonna wave? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, guys, congratulations. Grandma, thanks for making it out. Okay, let's find somebody else. Okay, are you ready? Okay, count you in. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay, we can do better. All these people, let's try one more time. Grandpa, I want to hear some noise. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, my goodness. Congrats, guys. Whoa, there's so many. I swear your family gets bigger every year. I swear, I don't know. Okay, give some April, what's up? Nice to see you. Counting in. 1, 2, 3, woo! You can jump, okay? Woo! Congrats, guys, awesome. Okay, who we got next? Who we got next? Hey! Is this a video? You can just wave or whatever. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Hey! Love it. Thank you. Wait, where's your family? Your family here? Where? Let's go get them. These ones here. Aw, sweet. Okay, let's get a good group video real quick. Is that okay with you guys? Yeah. Okay, I'll count you down. Say 1, 2, 3. Congratulations.
Hey, you guys did a great job today.
Hey, you did a great job. 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations!
Wow. Awesome, guys. Homeboy in the suit out here killing them. Yeah. Okay, this is the big one. Sir in the back. You know you're not tall. Please. Please, there we go. Okay, congratulations on 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We can do better. One more time. Let me see some arms or something, okay? This guy's ready to go. Okay, last one. 1, 2, 3. Hey! My guy. Guys, so cool. Congrats. Hey, give me a wave real quick. All this. I know, that's what's funny about it. Hey! All right, guys. Wait. Get together. Look at your cell phone photo real quick. One, 2, 3. Hey, perfect. It's nice to see you. High five. Oh, hi. Oh, you too slow, huh? I'm right here. Oh, you gotta be faster. You got me. Okay, guys. No, look, it's fireworks. This the fam? This the whole fam? Everybody go on this side over here. Let's go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hey! Sometimes I just try to capture the moment. Hey, I want to get that, but I want to get this. So, can I get you guys over here real quick for a group shot with everybody? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna do a group shot. I want to do a group shot if you want to get in it over here. Yeah? Okay. I need it's a big group shot. Big group. Everybody. Okay. Hey, go ahead. Yeah, you. Yeah. Hey, you. Hey. Those guys, get them in there. Hey, get in there. Hey, get in there. Hey, go ahead. Okay, I can't add too many more people, huh? Okay. Oh, it's just growing. Guys, give them a round of applause. Come on, make some noise. That's all they get? Come on, make some noise. Okay, guys, ready? What were he saying? Class of 2025. Woo! Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Class of 2025.
Woo! Guys. Let's go. Okay, wait. This could be the last moment. You're right here, right now. So I want you to take a second to take it in. Everybody together. You won't get this again, most likely. So just take it in. And one more time, before you go home, hug your loved ones. Class of 2025. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Class of 2025.
Hey! Guys, awesome. Woo!
What year did you graduate here?
2010. But I used to see your sprint.
Huh?
Remember, I used to work at Sprint. Yeah.
That's the reason why I said, you know, you look like I'm
Oh, yeah. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey. Wow. Okay, I think most of the shots I need. Now just kind of pick up shots, getting a little bit of things like people smiling, people hugging. I see a hug right there. Sorry. Oh, Grandma, how you do me like that?
That was a penalty. Flagrant foul.
Hey,
Flagrant foul.
it's okay. I let it slide today. You know.
Hey, I appreciate that.
Of course, man. Guys, congratulations.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, how was your graduation?
Oh man, I graduated 2010. It wasn't as cool as this. This is way cooler.
Oh, see
Yeah.
now, but look at what you did with your life.
Yeah, I mean, it was here too, and they keep bringing me back, you know? So it is cool. I hang out with my teachers, so, you know.
Tell the kids that.
I know.
You're going to make a difference.
Hey, I'm trying. What was your name?
Kyle.
Kyle Willie.
Willie?
Pleasure,
nice
Kyle.
to meet you.
Hopefully I see you around.
Oh, yeah.
Take care. Perfect. I'm directing traffic now. Should I let him out? Should I let him out? Let go, let go, let go.